frame, 29er. Getting ready to start doing some work. So let's get this started. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first BMX bike working on and riding it over. Well, I did ride one once and I was like, fuck that. Damn, jumped it. So last time I rode a BMX bike, excuse me, I was 18, 17, 18. I was working at Marriott. A thunderstorm came, tore down the tree that was on the corner, big old oak tree, and it propped the cement up. You know, it was almost in the middle of the block, actually. I say about, yeah, almost in the middle, 3/4 of the way, no, more in the middle. So, I don't even know what that is. Anyway, so we'll say in the middle of the block, it wasn't quite that. So we'll say 3/4 of the block down, tree fell over, and we'll say 2/3. 3/4, 2/3. Anyway, cool. Tree came up, knocked cement up. I went to jump it. I went and bought a BMX bike from Walmart. I don't remember what kind it was. I was 18, so this was 25 years ago. Jumped it. It was so high where it tore it up, and the cement was up like this from that oak falling because it was on the sidewalk. It was so high that I felt like I was in the movie E.T. Really, I was flying. And I jumped from where that tree fell all the way to the corner of the street. Like I almost, luckily I was pretty good and knew to get myself off, but I missed like landing on the edge of the curb, like that much. I just had enough at the end to get me right over it and land flat on the cement and live to talk about it. And I had to go to the hospital and injure myself. But the bike was, oh man, it was total. I mean, those wheels were bent to shreds, and yeah, that bike got took back. But yeah, that was the last time I rode, so it's my first BMX since then. So didn't work on them then, don't work on them now, but now I do, or didn't work on them until now. So now I do. So let's get to learning some stuff, hopefully together. I hope they don't break too much too badly. And I guess I can use some of these new tools I got. All right, so first things first, we gotta get these wheels stopped off.